Hello guys, today I will show you how you can do a split screen on your window with just one click. At first, your window must be window 11. So, if your window is not window 11, and if you are unable to set up window 11 on your PC or laptop, you can check the description for your help. Okay, let's start our job. Now, I'm opening two browsers. Now, you have to just hover your mouse cursor on the restore sign. For your help, I have marked the restore sign. Here you can do 4 types of split screen on your window. Now I am clicking the first type. Here you have to select which browser or which software you want to open. See here you can do here 3 software split screen. And also 4 software split screens just in one click. Hope guys, you will love this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.